From my house you can see today is supposed to pass through here at 2 p.m. in the Hurricane Isaac, but I'm not supposed to pass very strong here, just a very strong wind and a lot of rain, so it's kind of quiet here. We're not scared at all. So, but it's very windy. It's really hard to hold my iPad. It's not cold because we are in the summer. Today is August 26, 2012. We are in Miami Beach and Collins Avenue. You can see the ocean, the waves, because we are not used to see waves like that here. So, but we are kind of quiet, but I wanna resist this because it's not very common to happen this here. So, but you can see the beach is totally evacuated, and the police and the firefighter is always evacuating the street. And you can see from our building here, you can see there the canal. The trees in this side is not so wiggly because the wind comes from the east, from the ocean. That's why the other side you can see the trees. Dangerous to be here. So this side is kind of covered. You can see the pool there. The manager took care of everything, the chairs, the tables, just to prevent some kind of accident. Let's wait now, 2 a.m. Let's see what's gonna happen. If the provision is right. Now I don't know the wind, but it's supposed to be at about 65 km/h. Let's see. Let's wait for 2 a.m.